वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज मोहम्मद आलम, यू वाचिंग एटीसी ईगल लाइव ट्रेडिंग। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूं अपने न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल पे, जो रिलेटेड है स्टॉक मार्केट से। कैसे स्टॉक मार्केट से लोग पैसे कमा सकते हैं, ट्रेडिंग कैसे होता है, पेपर ट्रेडिंग क्या होता है, प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते हैं, पैसे कैसे बना सकते हैं। सो उसके बारे में सर ओवरऑल मैंने अपना सारा एफर्ट डाला हुआ है। आप डेफिनेटली आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा, और जिन लोगों को पसंद आए प्लीज़ आप लोग शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और हिट करें, बेल आइकन को हिट करें ताकि अपग्रेड वीडियो आप देख सकें। थैंक यू।
2800 below, it is a selling pressure. So we will go for, if you want to buy, then buy 32,800 PE at the rate of maybe 176 or something like that. And if it is also going for selling side, if someone want to sell, then sell this also. This is buy. I told you 32,800 PE for buy, 32,800 CE for sell at the rate of 244. So wait for the price action. Thank you. So now you can see I already fixed the trade for your radar. Like you can make this one. I'm sure it will be going down. So 32,800 CE. Make it in your radar, and 32,800 PE for buy side. Make in your target area. So please put this one in watch list. So once the trade will be open, we'll execute the trade. Thank you. You can see I'm making a very tough one. So downside open. Wait. So please add this to in watch list for 32,800 CA and 32,800 P for ready for attack. For maybe it is Bank Nifty opening 100 to 200 point downside open. Please wait. Wait for the market opening. Thank you. Market still not open. I expecting 100 to 200 points should be market gap down open, and it is good for sell. It is good for sell. So wait for the market open. Thank you. You can see market is opening 154 point, exactly what I told you people. 100 to 200 points negative, it will be open as the same. You can see this one is accurate already. Thank you very much. Market already open, you can see 200 point, exactly what I tell. 200 point exactly open market at 200 negative point. This is what we predict, sir. This is what we predict. Let me see this one. The market is falling down, so we'll go for 32,800 buy side. Just wait for the price action. Once it is done, please wait. I repeat, no trade. Wait for your good time. No trade. Relax and wait for your good time to take the trade. Wait. We will wait at least 30 minutes to see the price action. Thank you. You can see I put this one in for rider. I will tell you the entry time. Then once I tell you entry, the both trade should be executed same time. The both trade should be executed at same time. Please wait for the entry time. Execute the board trade. Execute the board trade. I repeat, execute the board trade at 9:30. I repeat, execute 32,800 C for sale, 32,800 P for buy. Execute at 9:30 a.m. Thank you. 32,800, 9:30 is this candle. 9:30 is this candle. You can see 9:30 candle is exactly at 239, 239, 239, 239, 239. I can repeat, 239, 239.00. Entry time is 9:30, 9:30 a.m. This one also entry time is 9:30 a.m. Or this price is 32,800. 32,800.
अभी दूसरे कॉल पर व्यस्त है, कृपया प्रतीक्षा करिए।
जी आ गया।
सर ये 300 तक जाएगा, उसका बाद एग्जिट करने का है आपको। 265
चलिए।
चल रहा है, 267, 270, ये जाएगा 300 तक। हम लोग खरीदा है 249 में, 272
ठीक है। हाँ ठीक है।
ले लिया आपने,
हाँ ले लिया तो 3 लॉट हुई।
और 3 लॉट हुआ ना। अब आपको 300 में एग्जिट करना है सर।
चलिए ठीक है।
ओके ओके।
ओके।
And it's very good trade. We can win 30. It is 32,800 exactly. Which position I buy 32,800 at exactly, you can see exactly at 10:22 a.m. where entry point is 9:30, where exit point is 10:22. So let me see what I give the call to the people, how much I make money, how much we lost. Let me check the PL account. So let me first go to the Bank Nifty 32,800 CE. This is 32,800 CE. You can see I exit on 300, but it is raising 339. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't care. My money come, it's okay. Even it is going for 2 crore, 3 crores, I don't care. So I know this one going upside, because Bank Nifty today I plan here as 32,500 should be crossed. I already make the line. So no problem. It is going more down, but I make money. That's important for me. So let me see this one. It is going more down. It is going more down. I know. It is going. Maybe we can see this is 388 point. It is evening. You can see in maybe 500, 600, 700 point. At least you can see. It can come up to 32,300. Maybe it will come. So that is another case. Let me see my trade, how much I make money. Here you can see. I'll go my own time. What I give time for people who exit and entry, I'll go only that much time. So 9:32, 10:22. What is the price of this trade? This is 32,800 PE. You can say 32,800 PE. On a buy condition, how much we make? This is 9:30. 9:30. What is the price? Is 9:30. I make this 1 minute candle. 9:30. 9:30 is here. This is 10. 9:55. 9:40. This one I think 9:20. 9:29. This one, this candle, this is 29, this is 30. This 30 price is, you can see this 30 price. 30 price I can make bigger. You can see this you can see 9:30 figure. This is 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle is price is 239. I can write down here 239. Exactly, see 239. And this one also, it is a PE. It is a PE. It is 239.00. 239 entry point. It is also 239. And exit point, I will check this on 10:22. 10:22 exactly. 10:22 where? This 10:30. This one 10:22. This level. This level. It is, what is that? 317. 317. It is 317. You can make for 317. This is 317. Exit time 10:20. What is the PL? I will show you in my next one. So next is 32,800 CE call. This is 32,800 CE call. You can see I can make this one time frame 1 minute time frame. And here, wait a minute, it is here. Okay, this is one. So this is today trade. So I'm taking 9:30. 9:30. This is 9:30. This 9:30. This one. This candle is 9:30. You can see my line 9:30. 9:30 is candle. This is for sell side. 9:30 is exactly. It is 112. 112. 9:30 is 112. This is C call 112. 112. Okay, 9:30. Now the exit time is, I told you in my video already. I inform all people what is the time entry, what is the time exit, because live trading I cannot send the message to everyone, so I keep all the tracking in my own. So this is 9:30 entry, and now 10:22 is exit time. 10:22 I can go. 10:22 is almost 10:15. 10:20. 2021, 2022, this one 22 is last, and this candle low is 59 rupees. So I can write down here 50, 52 or 59, 59, 922. What's the time is 922. Okay, 922 is, this is 924, 923. This candle is 922. Its low is 59. So I can make this one as 59, not 52. It is 59. So today trade is this much, and now I will show you how much I make if I get this trade. How much is it? Date is 12. Time is now 11:44. You can see my system time is 11:44 a.m. So now I'm calculating these things in my option strategy. So option strategy open. Let me build up this option for me. Okay, now you can see as a bank nifty, and it is a option, and expiration date is it is showing 27, expiration 12, expiry date it is 12. This is 12. So strike price, I'll show it. Strike price, you can see this one. This is what the strike price is, near about strike price. 1 second, let me show you clearly. Okay, strike price is, first strike is 32,800, and I supposed to sell this one. First one is CE for selling. What is taking time? Okay, so option date is 12. Now 32,800 CE. I told you for sale. I select sell. Price is 112. Price is 112, and lot is 200. Now I'm going to add this one, and let me see what is the result. Let me see 200, 12. Okay, date is pay update is 12 also, and I'm going to add this position, and we'll see what's the result. This is, you can see here, it is now 3,84,000 profit, but it's not exactly profit because trade is running something else. But I have to set also the time. What time is exit time? I will set exit time. Exit time is, let open this one. This one exit time. Our exit trade is 59. You can see this one 59. This is 59. 59. I make 59. Sorry. I make this one here 59. So in 59, because trade is going more or less, but my target is 59 because 1022 is 59. 1022 price is 59. So now my exactly, if I trade this one, 2,65,000. So another trade is option 12 May, and this one is 32,000. This one is 32,800. I am going to big P this one. This one. You can see this trade. I have two trade. So second one is for buy condition, and also 200 lot. Price I suggest 930. It is price is 239, and I make 239. So I'm going to add this position. Now see, it is giving me 6,84,000, but it is not exactly. I have to set my exit time also. My exit time is according to 1022, it is 317. So I will make it 317, and modify this one. Let me see what is the exact value I get. So it is exactly value, it is 39,000. So my net profit is 6,55,000. It's my net profit if I make this trade from 9, and these two trade from 9 9:30 to 10:22. This is all the data. As my video is already there, a live video. You can check my time table, everything in your hand. You can check yourself. So this is all about work. I have good profit 655 within few hours, or you can say 9:30 to 10:22, near about 1 hour. I make a good profit. So good luck, buddy. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. And exactly, I'm doing this one for looking a best investor who can invest the money in on my site. So good luck, everyone. And I'm not going to sending everyone everyday video. So you can find me in YouTube as well as Instagram, MD Sonu for you. I'm going to publish all this my quality and work and effort, so people can realize the stock market is not about a gambling. People thinking it's a gambling. Not it's gambling. It's a it's a brain game. Those people have strong brain. You can say it's a collector, SP, DSP. Anyone can make this money. No, they can make a salary maybe 5 to 6 lakh per month. But we make money every day. Every day we can make money if we have a good brain. So thank you for watching me, and give me your full support. Wish you all the best.